Hi everyone, welcome back to Healthy Over 50. If you've been told to eat more protein or include healthy fat, but you're still wondering why exactly they matter, today's video is just for you. We're diving deep into your muscles, your cells, even your brain, to show you how these two macronutrients are not just fuel, they are fundamental. Let's break it down. Let's start with proteins. Your body is made of trillions of cells, and proteins is a core building block in nearly all of them. Your skin, hair, organs, enzymes. Inside every cell, proteins are constantly being broken down and rebuilt. Your body needs a steady supply of amino acids, the smaller unit of protein, to maintain and repair tissues. In your muscles, protein is critical for growth and recovery. When you exercise, especially resistance training, you create micro tears in muscle fibers. Protein is what rebuilds those fibers stronger. Even your immune system uses proteins. Antibodies are made of proteins. Without enough, your ability to fight off illness drops. So yes, protein is more than gains. It's about repairing, regenerating, and surviving. Now, let's talk about fats, the good ones. We've been told for decades that fat is bad, but that's completely outdated. Your brain is made of nearly 60% fat, and it depends on omega-3 fatty acids to function well. These fats support memory, mood regulation, learning, and focus. Your nervous system also relies on fat. The protective layer around your nerves is made from fatty acids and cholesterol. Without it, nerve signals would be slow or lost entirely. Fats are needed to absorb fat-soluble vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Without fats in your meals, those vitamins just pass through your system. Good fats regulate hormones, reduce inflammation, and support cell membrane health. What happens if your diet is low in protein and good fats? You feel tired. You lose muscle. You heal more slowly. Your hormones get thrown off. Your skin, hair, and nails become brittle. You experience brain fog and even low mood. This isn't about vanity. This is about your biology. Your body needs these nutrients to function. So where should you get them from? Best source of proteins: eggs, chicken, turkey, fish, Greek yogurt, lentils, chickpeas, quinoa, tofu, protein powders if needed. Best good fat sources: avocados, olive oil, fatty fish like salmon, sardines, nuts, seeds like chia seeds, dark chocolate. Aim to include a source of protein and fat in every meal. It keeps your energy steady, reduces cravings, and fuels your brain and body long after you eat. When you eat with your biology in mind, things shift. More focus, more energy, better workouts, better sleep. And not just in the short term. Long-term health, disease prevention, and mental clarity all start with nutrition. This isn't about cutting carbs or following strict diets. It's about fueling yourself properly with the nutrients your body is literally built from. So next time you build a plate, ask, where's my protein? Where's my healthy fat? Your cells will thank you. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a nutrition reminder today. You don't need a perfect diet, just a smart one. So stay strong, stay nourished, and remember, all will be good. I'll talk to you soon.